What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and behind me I have this Porsche Cayenne. I want to show this windshield protection because there is film on the outside of this windshield that was put here 4 years ago when the car was new. I never recommend leaving the film on for that long, but take a look at it. It's delaminating the top coat, it's hazy, and you can barely see through it. Not to mention, when we go to remove this, we're all gonna question our life choices. Hang on, let me get it.
Give the viewers an example. What do you mean by that?
I mean, it's gonna come off in tiny, tiny, tiny pieces. Hang on. Hey Ryan, you got an orange razor blade? This is exactly what's gonna happen when we go to pull this off. I can try to steam this to make this a little better, but it's gonna come off in these super tiny pieces that look like a used condom.
What about all the people on YouTube comments that's like, use a steamer and
you know?
put like vinyl on top or something like that. All those tricks.
You know, like all of those things, they do help a little bit, but nonetheless, it's gonna suck to take off. It's gonna be absolutely horrible. This film traumatized us so much that we didn't install windshield protection film for another 4 years. And then when we started installing it again, I tested it myself for 1.5 years, and then I pulled it off and it came off in one piece. So I just want you to know, not all windshield protection films are made the same. The one we use now comes off in one piece. Doesn't look like a used condom when you pull it off. Sadly, the film too. Oh my God, how do you drive like this? What the heck? Hey Parker, look, it comes off like it looks like a dried condom.
It looks terrible.
Like a dried used condom.
Is it way too old?
No, it's it just delaminates and look how it's coming off.
It doesn't look very good.
No man, it looks horrible, right? Looks really bad. Bro, it's bad.
Yeah, I saw it when I drove. I was like, damn, is it fucking windshield film? I was like, oh no, it's just dirty. And I looked and I'm like, oh no.
Huh?
I thought it was just dirty. I was like,
That film is super yellow.
yeah, even compared to the fenders, yellow.
I've been in a couple cars.